We're going to go into more detail about how this the hand duster works. What you basically have is a set of gear reduction here hooked to this handle, which allows a revolution of this crank to turn this fan, the squirrel cage fan, a lot faster. If you'll notice how fast I'm turning my hand, and if the camera can pick up how fast that squirrel cage is moving in there, and you can hear it wind up when I get to cranking it. Also, that runs a flour sifter assembly. If you'll notice, the spring inside there runs in kind of a spiral fashion across a screen at the bottom, and that spring works like a flour sifter and drops the broken up or the finely granulated dust into the blast of air, which is being generated by the squirrel cage fan, and mixes them together in the tube as it blows out the front of the duster. And this makes for a smooth application of dust that's almost like smoke. And it does reduce the amount of pesticide needed to get the job done, or the amount of fungicide needed to get the job done. And that's good for everybody. It's cheaper for you as the applicator, and it's good for the environment.